morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is, of course, Light Liger here at your service. And today we're going to be talking about the most exciting DeFi stablecoin in the space right now. And you guessed it, it's Neutrino. And I obviously did talk about it already a week ago on my DeFi video briefly. So I decided to do a full video on Neutrino and explain you the benefit of investing in Neutrino. And I also will be showing you how the staking is basically done with Neutrino. So in case you didn't see that video or just not familiar with Neutrino is an algorithmic stablecoin enabling sustainable DeFi, which is collateralized by Waves. And because it's collateralized by Waves, this allows you to have the Waves LPOS, which is least proof of stake algorithm, which is generating Waves rewards when you lease to a node. Instead of leasing the Waves into a node, you're leasing the USDN, and instead of getting the rewards in Waves, you will be getting them in Neutrino. So that means that you are going to be getting much more higher percentage gains versus any other stablecoin out there, whatever it's centralized offering or decentralized offering. And here they say that it's an 8 to 15% APR. And if the price of Waves goes up, that percentage can even go much, much higher. And we're going to be looking into those numbers. So, but before that, we're going to be looking quickly into the market right now. And the market cap is now 21 million USD, which is pretty nice, ranking at 347. I believe that number is going to be increasing. We're going to be seeing a lot more exchanges here. In this video, we're going to be using Waves.Exchange because there you can actually stake your Neutrino and get those rewards. And it's very simple. I'm going to be showing you that in a second. But one of the exciting partnerships that actually happened, which I forgot to mention or I didn't know about when I was making the video, is that Neutrino has a strategic partnership with 1inch, which I've talked about on the channel before. And they are now creating that same Neutrino token inside the Ethereum network, and there will be a bridge between Waves and Ethereum network, so I can transfer my Waves Neutrino token into the Ethereum and I can trade it there in the ecosystem of 1inch, for example, and that is very exciting. And vice versa, if you feel that Ethereum is very congested, you can just swap your Tether into Neutrino and then Neutrino into Waves and gain that higher percentage. As I said to you earlier, these percentages that we're talking about with Neutrino, USDN is the ticker, are very, very high. And this is an opportunity you really want to get into, even though obviously we all know that dollar is in a bit of a problem right now. All stable coins, all fiat currencies are, but I think still it might recover, and dollar will most likely recover at some point or sooner or later. So it's a good bet still. So how is this basically done? And here's a great analysis by bank deposit versus staking. Give your money to the bank, full control of your funds. And this is a decentralized contract. It's not going into Waves, centralized exchange or anything. This is all decentralized interest rate. Okay, you own this money. And here it talks about how much the interest actually the banks give, replenishment, interests on a daily basis. There are some services that do give 12% on Tether, but they don't give it daily. That's another thing. That's not a thing. And how is this basically done? So first thing you need, one of the options, is to get a Waves Keeper. This is a Chrome extension. You log in. It allows you to import your Waves address from Atomic Wallet or Exodus. Most of you are probably using those because I've shilled them so many times in the past. I think Trust Wallet works too. And then you log into the platform. And then you just log in here, continue. It will ask you to create a password here. And now we are already inside. And right now I have 17.7 Neutrino. I changed all my Waves into Neutrino because I was so bullish on this project. And I should have done that week later because Waves has gone like, what, 200% up or something like that in the last couple of days. Like you can see the charts like $4.5. And not too long ago, it was below $2. So in August 11th, I changed my Waves into Neutrino. Bad call. Yeah, so it's pretty good. And they give right now, because the price of Waves is so high, that will 23.5% annual interest on those stable coins. And that is insane. And I'm going to have my referral link down below, so please use that when you're going to be participating. So you can earn more by referring people here, and you will get 20% of their profits. So you get your friend to stake here, you get 20% of their USDN staking profits. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. And it's a lot of money, in my opinion. So it's a very simple to buy USDN on the Waves.Exchange. Obviously, as we saw previously, there's many exchanges where you can buy it. You can use credit cards, add Vcash. I don't know what that is. That's something of a Russian PayPal, probably. And you can also buy it on exchange. So where's the actual? I think it's on the investment page. So basically, you are able to, the Waves.Exchange is not for Waves tokens. You can actually like deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and well, LTC, Monero, Dash, a lot of popular coins. I wish Tron was here. That was probably my call. For cheap transactions, what you need to do, you create an address, then you send to this address, and then it's deposited here, and then you transfer it into Neutrino. Trade it into the platform to Neutrino. And then you go into, there's a small fee attached to this. Luckily, you can use the actual fee they paid on USDN or in Waves. So I'm going to be putting this 6 cents right now back into the staking pool, deposit, view details. Now it's going to be taking a couple of seconds until it confirms the transactions. As you can see, it already updated here, and now it's been in the contract. And those were, by the way, that I just added were the daily rewards, in which you can, prospect here and see how much you will be getting per day. And those are going to be changing. You see that change from August 13th to August 14th, and that was because the price of Waves went up. So I will be getting more rewards as the price of Waves goes up. And that minimum still, even if Waves crashes to $1, will be still around that, was it 5 to 12% in that ballpark. But right now, getting Neutrino as it is, just purchasable for $1, it's very lucrative deal to get 23% interest on your US stablecoin, Neutrino. So definitely don't miss this opportunity. That percentage is not going to be that same right now. I think actually it's going to maybe go even up. So if Waves goes more and more up, this is technically could go into 100% or over 100%, guys, if the Waves just fully skyrockets. That's just how the system is based on, because it will convert the Waves staking rewards into the actual Neutrino. And that's a brilliant idea. And there are going to be other chains which are probably going to be doing this. So I'm very excited about this project, and I'm going to be converting a lot more some of my stable coins. You don't want to have all the eggs in the basket, especially when it comes to Ethereum, because a lot of the stuff we have obviously is in Ethereum. That's where a lot of the tokens are. But the problem is that if Ethereum just seems a major hack or crack right now, most of our funds are gone. So you want to have, in other blockchains, some of your earnings and money. So that's pretty much my rundown about Neutrino. Definitely very exciting project, and there are a lot of other things that they are building, and I really recommend kind of reading more into their Medium page, where they kind of go more into detail about what the DeFi things they are building. And there's many things that they are actually doing that are exciting and proprietary in the space, and I'm looking forward to seeing those, and maybe we'll probably cover them on the channel as well. But thanks for watching. Sign up under me, obviously, if you're going to be trying out the service. And I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure to tip me, obviously, as well. So I will keep creating content around Waves, because if the Waves people don't chime in, I have less incentives to create content for them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.